Philippines is a pretty seismically active country, located at a junction of a number of tectonic plates, with the Philippine Sea Plate to the east of the country subducting or dipping under the Philippines. With all of these plates converging on the Philippines, it also has a lot of volcanoes scattered throughout the country. On average, the Philippines will have 6 or 7 magnitude 6 earthquakes every year, a magnitude 7 earthquake every 1 to 2 years, and a magnitude 8 earthquake every 50 years. Next week I'll be travelling to the Philippines to talk about how our earthquake recording instrumentation is used in buildings to provide earthquake alarms and also engineering information about how those buildings performed. With hundreds of instruments already installed in buildings throughout the Philippines, we have the potential to learn a lot about how different types of buildings respond to earthquakes of different magnitudes at various distances.